channel, and in today's video we will be doing a decorate with me. I'm going to be decorating this beauty right here, and I'm so excited because it's a white flocked Christmas tree. So yeah guys, I asked you all, like I said, I asked you all on my Instagram if you wanted to see me decorate this Christmas tree, and you guys said yes, so I'm going to do it for you. And I'm also going to be sharing a potato soup recipe. It's so simple, but it is a staple in my house. Everybody loves it. I am so excited, and thank you all for coming to my video. I really do appreciate it. If you are new, don't leave before you hit that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to like this video. It helps my channel out a lot. But yeah, I am going to stop my rambling and let's just get into this Christmas decorate with me. So before we get started on anything, you guys already know I gotta make myself a cup of coffee. And then I'm going to go downstairs and enjoy my coffee and do my makeup. My coffee of choice this morning is the Stormio coffee, and I'm going to be making a peppermint mocha latte. If you guys have not tried the Khalifa, this right here, this creamer, it's the bee's knees. It's so freaking good.
I can't wait for the weekend. Waking up next to you, we'll be sharing our secrets, making dreams come true. Let's have a toast for the lovers. We'll tumble round in the snow, and my heart's going boom, boom, boom. You're so beautiful. What a night. Can you feel it too? Girl, I won't let you go. When the sky comes alive, let's have a jolly holiday, holiday. Let's have a jolly holiday, holiday. Yeah.
All right, so I did finally decide to spray paint my collar black. Yes, and I absolutely love how it looks under my tree now, and I'm just like so in love with this collar now. I wanted a black one at first, but the black collars are just so expensive, and I got this one from Hobby Lobby, so it was inexpensive, and I was like, why not do my own DIY? So now I am fluffing the tree, and it really didn't take that much for me to fluff it. Like, it was actually easy to fluff this tree, but I actually put it up off camera because guys, this thing was huge. Okay, it's massive. Getting out the box, and the box was actually heavy, so I was like, I'm not about to record me struggling with this tree.
Doing so long, though we text every day, and still my feelings are so strong. How I missed your face. Let's have a toast for the lovers. We'll tumble round in the snow, and my heart's going boom, boom, boom. You're so beautiful. Can you feel it too? Girl, I won't let you go. When the sky comes alive, let's have a jolly holiday, holiday, yeah. Let's have a jolly holiday, 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 yeah. Can't wait another year, just talking on the phone. I'll make you feel at home. Oh.
I am still going for the same colors for this Christmas tree, but I think I'm going to do something just a little bit different. I got these white ornaments from At Home. These black ornaments are from Kirkland's. My girl Kiara J sent them to me. So thankful, okay? These rose gold ornaments are also from At Home. Got these picks from Michael's. They were $1.99, and these are also from Michael's. And this ribbon was in my garage, okay? Shop my home. So when I said I'm doing something different, I wanted to put some ribbon in this tree, but I don't really want to take away from the tree because the tree is absolutely beautiful, and I feel like adding too much to the tree will make it look cluttered. So I'm hoping I'm making sense, but this is the direction I'm going with this tree.
Can't wait another year. Just talking on the phone. I'll make you feel at home. Oh, when I got you by my side. What a night. Oh, girl, I won't let you go. When the sky comes alive. Let's have a jolly holiday. Holiday. Let's have a jolly holiday. Holiday. Let's have a jolly holiday. Jolly holiday. Let's have a jolly holiday. 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 Yeah, 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 yeah. Just wanna have a holiday. Yeah, yeah. Let's have a jolly holiday.
Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see this, but it is a little bit of a mess. Just a little bit, but I feel like this tree didn't make as much mess as a, like the normal flocked Christmas trees I have had experience with, but yeah, not that much flock, came off. So I'm kind of happy about that. But just like some dust, I am going to vacuum this up. If this is your first time clicking on my video, welcome, and I'm so happy that you are here. My name is Ebony. I'm a mother to two beautiful boys, and I am married. My husband's in the military. Here I upload tons of cleaner motivation videos, home decor videos, and also mama life videos. So I really do hope that you subscribe if that's the type of content that you like. Also, don't forget to hit that bell notification and hit all so you don't ever miss out on any future uploads. And to all of my returning subscribers, you guys already know you are my real ones. I appreciate you all so much for always supporting your girl on every video. It means the world to me, and it does not go unnoticed. Also, don't forget to like this video because it helps my channel out a lot, and you guys know it just helps me to be seen by other people when you like my video. So I appreciate it if you hit that like button. So now I'm going to start preparing the loaded potato soup, and like I said before, this is a absolute staple in my home, especially around this time of the year where it gets all cold in the colder months, and we just love this soup so much. But yeah, I'm just gonna start by like cutting it and dicing the potatoes in this pot. And let me know down below if you guys have ever tried loaded potato soup, or making your own. And if you haven't, you decide to make my recipe, let me know on Instagram. Tag me in on Instagram if you decide to make it. So now I just turned the fire on to medium heat, and then I'm going to be pouring in 1 thing of chicken broth and then 1 cup of water. You can add garlic salt if you like. I add garlic salt. And then in another pan, you want to add a half a stick of butter, and then you turn that on low heat. melt. You don't want the butter to burn, and then you're going to add in or whisk in some flour, let it thicken up. That's what I do, like a little at a time instead of just, you know, wait until it kind of thickens up. And then you're going to add your milk in, and you're going to whisk that in as well. You normally would need like 2 cups of milk, but I've made this soup so many times where I don't even measure anymore. So that's what I'm doing here. After the milk and the flour has boiled, then you want to pour it into your, you know, pot with the broth and the potatoes. And I also cut some onions in here as well. It wasn't recording, my camera had turned off. So now you want to add some Philadelphia cream cheese. You can do the plain cream cheese if you want, but I always use the chives one, so it tastes really, really good. So now I'm just cutting up some garlic bread. We like to have garlic bread with our soups, and it just tastes really, really good with the soup. You can also have, you know, crackers. I also know how to make my own, like, you know, homemade like garlic crackers. So if you guys want to know that recipe, let me know down below. So now I'm gonna make some like turkey bacon bits. So all I'm gonna do is just put some turkey bacon in the air fryer, kind of let them get like all nice and crispy and dried up, kind of like how the ones you see at the grocery store. But I haven't seen any like turkey, you know, bacon bits, so that's why I always make my own in the air fryer, and it comes out amazing every single time. So here is some after shots of the tree, and I absolutely love it. I love how everything came out. I love my white flocked Christmas tree. I mean, I love the traditional flocked Christmas trees as well, but something about this white and this flock just like takes my breath away. Every time I come downstairs, it gives me so much Christmas joy.
Isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time.
Well, alright y'all, I really do hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you really did like it, and I really do hope that it gave you some inspiration to decorate your home for Christmas, and I will talk to you all in my next video. Blessings. Bye.
It's Christmas in my heart, and I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss